Hey everyone, we have a really cool dowel room tour for you. But first, a few videos back, we did a custom dowel makeover and I asked you to suggest a new name for the dowel in the comments section. So before we reveal the name, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Devon. It's a really cool name and we're going to make him a really cool room. So, I have the brick wall that we made in our last video, and the flooring I used contact paper on a piece of poster board. So for the furniture, I have this gray couch and chair that I made actually a few years ago, and I just covered the cardboard with an old sweater. And here are the seat cushions and a little faux recliner, which is really kind of cool. I put a little piece on the side there, and it doesn't recline actually. So I have lots and lots of scrap fabric of denim, so I cut it up into squares and I kind of made a pattern, glued the squares together, and we used that to create pillows. And the pillows have the squares on one side and then it's just a single piece on the other side, so they're made so that you could put them on either side, which is really cool. You could just switch up the look and you have lots of different options to decorate your couch. So for an ottoman, I took an empty cardboard roll and covered it with our pattern, and I used my large needle to put a small little pip in the center. It's super cute. The ottomans are quick and easy to make with the empty cardboard roll. So I googled denim furniture and found these really cool lamps. So I was gonna make a lamp for our dowel room, and I'm using an empty deodorant case. Burned a hole in the top, glued in a wooden dowel, covered it with denim, painted the wooden dowel, and put a little paper cup on there for a lampshade. Kind of cute. I like it a lot. So I got this yarn from Walmart for about $5.97, and I don't knit or anything like that, but I'm doing like this little weaving where I'm pulling the yarn over and under, and then I carefully tie it off the ends with little knots and made this little piece right here, which we could either put on the couch as like a throw or put it on the floor as a rug. So we have a third wall, so I needed to put something else. I got this really cheap little TV online. I think I paid like $2 for it, but I wanted to lift it up a little bit, so I got these free samples from Home Depot. I'm going to glue 2 together and paint the sides. It's going to be like a TV stand. Use a little dry brush to paint the sides, so it lifts up the TV a little bit, and I like the way that looks a lot, as opposed to just putting it at the bottom. Next, we're going to do some wall art. Just stack and glue some cardboard, cover it with the denim. I'm just going to file it down, give it a more distressed look. From there, we'll do paint splatter, which is always fun. I like to get messy when I craft. And I just paint a little D for Devon on there, put it on the wall. And on the big wall, we used our big abstract painting, the acrylic pouring technique that we did in the last video, and it looks great on there. And lastly, this is a magnet that I got for $2.99 from Target. So we just put a little greenery in the room. And here is our room. We have 3 walls, which is really cool. The TV stand looks cool. I always love the ottomans. Those are fun to make, really quick and easy. And here is our little bachelor pad for Devon, where he can hang out, he can watch TV, enjoy some snacks. He could spend some quality time with his lady. And it's just a really cool room. It kind of fits the personality of the doll. And it's a really cool look. Denim furniture is a thing. I had no idea. I just Googled some images and it's super cute. It's some amazing pieces on there. So I like this a whole lot. I want to hear what you guys think. I want you guys to let me know about some of these denim furniture pieces that are super cool. So hit me up on social media. Of course, leave comments. And for naming our doll, I want to officially welcome Nikki Monty to the red carpet. Again, thank you so much. As always, please leave a comment. I'll see you at the next video. And remember, it's more fun to make it.